In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new job in Jobber. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a job, set the schedule, and prepare it for billing so your team and your client are on the same page. Start by opening Jobber and signing into your account. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand panel and click the plus sign to open the Quick Create menu. From there, choose Job. This opens the new job form where you'll enter all the details. Give your job a clear, specific title so it's easy to find later. For example, bathroom renovation works better than something vague. Consistent naming helps when you're searching, reporting, or coordinating across your team. Next, choose the client this job is for. You can select an existing client or create a new one if they're not in your system yet. Accurate client information ensures quotes, invoices, and updates go to the right place. Assign a salesperson if your workflow includes tracking who owns the opportunity or relationship. This is helpful for performance reporting and makes it clear who should follow up with the client. Choose the job type, one-off for a single visit, or recurring for ongoing work. If it's recurring, we'll come back to the repeat settings in a moment. Move to the schedule section. Set the start date, then choose a start time and an end time. Make sure these times reflect your team's availability and the client's preferences. If the job is recurring, select how often it repeats, daily, weekly, monthly, or a custom cadence, and then define when it should stop. Use the ends after option to specify a number of occurrences, or choose an end date if you have a fixed time frame. This prevents jobs from continuing indefinitely. Scroll to billing and automatic payments. Decide how you'll bill for this job and whether to enable automatic payments if that's part of your process. Clear billing settings reduce back and forth and help you get paid faster. Under product or service, add the line items that describe the work being done. Include quantities, rates, and any relevant taxes. Detailed line items set expectations with the client and make your invoice accurate from the start. When everything looks good, title, client, salesperson, job type, schedule, billing, and line items, click Save Job. That's it. Your new job is now in Jobber, ready to schedule your team, communicate with your client, and streamline billing. If you need to adjust anything later, you can always reopen the job and update the details.